My name is Paul Gerhard. I teach sound therapy, as well as something we call soul anatomy. It's really about developing senses that our culture does not necessarily encourage us to develop. So the capacity to recognize a dissonance when you strike two forks together, if you were to move them around your body but you have an injury on your knee, as soon as you would come by the knee there would be a dissonance. Then we can bring it back into harmony by using a tuning fork to remind the body what harmony is. The program builds, there's 3 levels, and each of the level you're practicing some of the same skills. So using your third eye, using your capacity to draw the aura, and enhancing your ability to continue to recognize the dissonance. Part of what for me is really important is the capacity to play and to be willing to reframe what we think we know. So a lot of learning sound therapy is about trusting the unknown. From that perspective, a different way of understanding what health is. And then, seeing that you're getting results even though your mind can't understand how that is.